Hello. In our previous video, we looked at the pacemaker potential. In this video, we're going to look at the myocardial contractile potential. Before looking at each of the events in the myocardial contractile potential, let's look at some background information. Myocardial contractile potential takes place in the contractile cells, which are the predominant cells present in the heart. So contractile cells make up 99% of the cells present in the heart. The other 1% are autoarrhythmic cells. There are three main events in the myocardial contractile potential: depolarization, plateau, and then repolarization. So let's take a deep dive into each of the events and what those events entail as per the ion movement. Let's look at the first event, which is depolarization. In depolarization, sodium plus influx is seen because of increased sodium plus permeability. This is a myocardial contractile potential diagram. So let's look at this to better understand this concept. This over here is depolarization. And during depolarization, we see that there is increased sodium permeability, and this increased sodium permeability causes increases sodium plus influx. So that's all for depolarization. Now, the second event of myocardial contractile potential is plateau. Because of decreased sodium plus permeability at the top of depolarization, sodium plus channels, which are open during depolarization, close, and calcium 2 plus channels open. Calcium 2 plus influx is seen, which causes the plateau to be seen, and the membrane to stay depolarized. Coming back to the myocardial contractile potential diagram, we can see that this stage over here is where the membrane potential is depolarized or remains depolarized, and that stage or event is plateau. Because of decrease in sodium permeability, which we see over here at the top of depolarization, sodium channels close, and then because of increased permeability of calcium 2 plus, which is over here, calcium 2 plus channels open, which causes the plateau to be seen and the membrane to stay depolarized. So that's all for plateau. Now the last event of myocardial contractile potential is repolarization. During repolarization, calcium 2 plus channels, which are open during plateau, close because of decrease in calcium 2 plus permeability, and potassium channels open because of increased potassium permeability. And opening of K plus channels causes potassium to move out of the contractile cells. Coming back to the myocardial contractile potential diagram, this whole part over here of the diagram is repolarization. And during repolarization, because of decrease in permeability of calcium 2 plus, which we see over here, calcium 2 plus channels close, and because of increased permeability of potassium, K plus channels open, and this causes K plus to move out. And one thing that I forgot to write during plateau is that calcium 2 plus influx happens. I took this diagram from this link below, so the credit goes to the makers of the diagram. This is a really good diagram, and I would highly recommend the viewers to at least refer to this diagram once. Thank you for watching the video, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.